Laser cat. Laser cat.
Who's seen please attack?
Get out of her bum. It's like the human centipede cat version.
Stop calling my cat. I'm actually going to move this so my cat's not like cornered behind a bag.
When Grandma said Mossy comes round to our house, we play
Aye, Flynn's still a wee tiny bit taller. You had enough Epping, we're going home. Why did she keep going back to the corner?
She's wanting to get jiggy with my boy.
Like, come on. That's why it's quiet. The cat sees.
Sneaky.
You should go closer.
I think the difference is I think Flynn looks like her brother. Because her brother was the same colour as him. Her brother Joe.
Huh?
Elsa.
Elsa. Elsa.
Shh, it's okay.
I think Wilson's barking at something outside. Oh, Tim, look! Up in the tree!
Who grilled?
Oh no.
Why? Is that because it's too
I think
too
they're
close
about
to
to
her?
attack. That's what they do. Oh, poor Epping, she's scared, hasn't she?
No, she has to them.
Yes.
I don't think she likes Elsa.
Eh?
She doesn't like Elsa.
Yeah. You think he's stuck in that tree? Sorry.
But you hiss and all.
Or
Unless
they'll
we'll be taking you at the pound.
Or they'll be hissing at me again.
Yeah.
Bam. You just in my arm.
No, I think she likes Flynn, but she doesn't really like Elsa that much.
Yeah, because
I think once
Epping
Elsa
is-
gets snapped,
Eponine and Flynn
She'll
are
probably
the
go on
same,
better
and
with.
Elsa and Eponine are not.
that's what I mean. I think Elsa and Epping will get on better once your mummy can get her snapped. Like when she gets her dressed, I think Epping will probably get on a lot better with her.
Elsa's still like, here, I'm just going to try my luck anyway.
I've been trying my luck.
Elsa, if you lose your face, it's your own fault.
Is that normal? Aye. The
That's
cat's
not
dipping
your
each other's
bum.
face off.
That's not don't see your bottom.
Okay.
Doesn't like Moss's barking.
Flynn's pure yawning, you just can't be bored in a second.
He's like, well, I know a cat. I've seen her before.
Oh, you know. Oh, do you live with a bitch?
Like she's nice, she lifts her leg up for me.
Aye.
Mommy, it looks like Connor.
Well, the thing is with Flynn, he's a boy in a house full of girls.
You ladies man.
Aye.
You match with ladies man. Flynn.
He's like, have a wee go to sleep. I'll let the bitches work this one out.
I love Flynn.
I think Elsa's getting a bit bored now.
Elsa, you giving her a toy?
Oh, that's so cute.
Is that all her spoon?
Y'all.
That's my spoon. That would be my spoon.
It's not anymore.
Oh.
That's gone.
No, hey, Flynn did play it.
Aye, right, Elsa was playing with it, and Flynn's just came in. I'm mine. Bitches know your place.
I can't spin the bottle.
Charlotte, leave.
You could open that up in case someone...
Spin the bottle for cats.
Spin the bottle for Boom Boom.
Is that you bored now?
Right, I'm done.
Right, I'm done. Right, I'm done.
Flynn, leave her alone. Shh.
I don't want domestic black and white black cats.
They're both neutered. There's no babies happening.
Sorry, if I took Eponine up to my mum's house, then